What? Yeah, me see.
Go and go see if you can sort out the pit runner back. Because right now, right now, I don't understand what I'm going. Yo, I show me know your people them in the road, boy. That I think, you know.
And you know, say I show me know you no disrespect you while
no,
but tell me about fi clean pit.
I don't clean myself here, dig where I dig and
dig pit for me a carpenter. Why you tell me about dig pit for me? Tell you say me dig shit pit. Me tell you say me a man I dig walk and dig shit pit. Yo, the best thing you do, you know, just me go for your 2,000 back on again, because be a disrespect me, you know. When a day like today, you know.
Alright,
I'm not take disrespect, so, you know.
Hear me, I say.
Me care about your 2,000 back on again, because no money to me, you know.
To subscribe is free. To
subscribe,
subscribe.
Them say real friends hard to find. But nowadays, none of them disappear when life get rough. Yeah. Yeah. From we a picnic barefoot, we walk go school, one lunch we share. We live like brother. When trouble come, we never run. Them days are pure love, no envy, no hype. Just real friendship to the end. Real friend check by you when you're low. Real friend know watch your pocket when it a grow. Love stay the same, never change with fame. Them celebrate when you rise to the sky. That are the kind of friendship me know. Real friend never left your side. Hey, no only call when them need a loan. Soon as them get it, them switch off phone. When you need help, them busy every day. Always find one excuse to say friendship bigger than money. Loyalty worth more than silver and gold. If you only there round when blessings flow, you never did real from a long time ago.
So take prayer now.
There, man.
In a pot. I'm riding a dog.
You know, say do a full time for you change your dirty ways, though, my friend. You come from too far from all of this. A full time for you change.
You always want to lecture me about my lifestyle.
No, I don't lecture, bro. You want dirty style. You know, feel like what? I mean, if your mother's side, I get it from your father's side. But you never have it and you ever beg. And you never try to look work for try to help yourself.
Me I work. I sweepstakes are my work. Sweepstakes are my 9 to 5. Yeah.
Sweepstakes are for your work.
Sweepstakes are hungry.
Sweepstakes are hungry.
So what you do? What you do?
Yeah, I'm carpenter out, dog.
So you when last you work?
Don't worry about when last month. Me I work here and me I make it so me no want you feel like say
so you get a little one and few work them and chew nothing really go on for me right now at this time. Yeah,
no,
boy,
bro,
yeah,
man. No, bro, nothing like that, bro.
But what you go for, man?
Nothing like that, bro.
I'm still, because I'm a dog. You know what I'm saying?
Bro,
so far I come from.
No, listen. You see,
listen to you sometime, but I hear what you say.
Bro, from me know myself, bro, you always want a little style, bro. Like, you know, like, see me with certain things, bro. If you don't have it, you don't feel good.
What I mean? Honestly,
no,
but you know, if you're my brother, like I said, see? If me not have it, I just pray say, yo, you don't willing to share, because see, I say, if me have it, I have it, dog, I feel
brother, if you never see how you have it.
I just know my time, because I just not rise it.
No, man.
That's you have to understand, so just believe in you, my friend. Because we have to live up on our time another day. 365 days in a year. You know, if you say one of them day they are going to feel me there. You know, believe so?
Jaja. Boy. Never say me doubt you still. Me just want to make sure say yo.
But me say me not tell I'm kind of hungry there. I'm sorry say I dragon me take.
You're hungry. Yeah.
You pay for it though?
Yeah.
You pay for
it?
Yeah.
All that again. Imagine me I go on the shop dog. Say you go buy it.
That thing with you.
I just take up craving and dragon.
Come on, I can't even live my life.
You take up craving and dragon. Like me a girl.
So you can't buy me a dragon and a craving.
And that bro, you do things like say me obligated to a certain way. Like me obligated to a certain way, bro. And that now, like me who you
see, as they say, I be a beg, you see me a beg. Watch out, my friend, me no feel like me feel beg nobody, bro, and my friend. I alone me can't come to pass.
No man, no all the time you forward to me. Sometimes you have to bear it like a man. You're a man, you have to bear it like a man sometime, man.
Yeah, man. So you have to bear it like a man to my friend, me call link you. You have to complain like a girl pick my friend.
No.
So you complain so far.
Yeah, man.
You have to be a man to help out your dog.
No.
Dirty style.
Man.
Dirty style.
Look if you go look.
Dirty style. No,
look if you go look.
Watch it. You see it? Scholar call me. You go on. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
How this, sir?
You see Bulby?
So they tell
Man,
say
man, hold the phone. I'm not number, man. Hold that, man.
Yeah, idiot, you know. See, I know it's a Jamaican
Man,
number.
tap it nice, but talk your talk, man.
A Jamaican, you scam.
I mean, where you get my number from, brother?
What do you mean why pre?
Hello, baby. Hello, baby.
No, hi, baby, me a backside.
No, I know that man at you and me. I want
Come to your phone.
you know, so if you tell you the truth, though, I left you do up on charge, because to them, if you touch the road and the battery dead and true, I can check my bridging and so me animal will a reason certain way and thing, you know. Me even
But
remember.
we suppose we never have your friend number. What would I get to you?
Jaja,
Suppose
yeah.
something they do me a road or something. But we where they?
I can get my number. That, you know.
Me dey run and my friend.
Yeah, but you not come home.
Them not
We have things to do.
me so forward, man. Me and him a reason a little bit. Me a reason with him a little bit longer than important.
Go on to your man.
Hurry up and come, Bulby. We are all of things to do, you know.
Yeah,
You think
good,
that time for
let's
not
go
chat with the
now.
eyeglass friend them?
Alright, me a forward now.
Alright.
Well this.
So, how few woman have my
So
number?
me if you know that, you more ask that.
How few woman have my number? Who want to get my number from?
I don't know, bro. Probably I one day I'm call up on him phone too.
Block a number. Because cross his number, this man think come back my phone.
Yo, remember say I'm a woman see me and not true, you and me are bridging certain way.
You know, I feel nice while I got myself while I go.
So what?
I feel like I sit in the clear, brother, man. Say same thing, man. Tell us I work on from last week, brother.
Nowadays, me know,
But my thing so boss are still, man. That's weird, man.
Oh yes, so come
That's
on
weird,
still. Me go up to my woman and you know.
Yeah, man, go on, man. Your curfew reach, man.
Eyeglass, you know.
Your curfew reach, man. Go on, man.
I go for my steam fish and my
You're
crackers.
free, man. Me single and free and I live my
life. Where you go
life.
for?
Me say, go on, man. Go on to your curfew. Watch you me there hungry, I get boss for my chair food. Alright, go on, man. For yourself, man. That's okay, see for this, you know.
When?
Tell them, man.
When?
God will bless me, you. Yeah, me tell them. Girl, clutch. Girl call me if you run gun. You left in water. Mad, man. Jaja.
Oh, go on, baby.
No, I'll go on me. Because I feel like you're not take this thing serious.
How much you not take
Because
this
we
thing
are dealing
serious?
with business and you gonna sit down and chat with friends. Like, me not understand them. Me tell us here to them, me I get the place. So, oh, you gone with your friend? Gone sit down,
No.
left your phone. You know, so we have this.
No,
you
babes,
left
I'm
your
not like
phone.
that, man.
You're not
Listen,
interested.
No, I know that, man. It's a work I go on. And my battery here there at the same time. So I just left my phone on charge. Because I didn't know, say, at today you're going to get shot like that, you know. But,
You didn't know. I tell her last night again. I tell her last
yeah,
night
but
again.
I didn't think about the work when I have to do today. I didn't have to meds this today. I tell me, say, I shot it today.
Listen to me, I can't take you foolish right about now. So you see all of them excuses and I can't bother with you right now. Anyway, this side place, you like it?
No, look, no, we're nice, same way. Nice, same way, man.
Yeah,
like,
man.
of course, yeah, like all damn, you know.
Yeah.
One, we got something there. Nice, man.
Nice.
Yeah,
But then again, my father always talk bad things about you and I don't like it. And you see, if we are going to do this, we have to do this together because I know say you do look carpenter work and all of that. I'm proud of you, but I see this business thing, we have to take it serious. We can't play with it. You understand what I say?
No, I hear but
what?
I do you right, see me, and I know, see your sister, me, I do you right, see me.
I see it, so you do right now.
Yeah.
But guess what? You see that the friend and company that where you have, that the, I not even remember when name him. You need to drop in company. I not say you have to drop in company now. But friend like him, you not keep running because every time I grow on a friend like him, and you a spend, him not spend. I know see how far now come from all these things, you know. But look into it, he's a selfish friend. He no fear. Because every time I go around him, he have to spend money. And him not spend no money, he always have plans, but guess what? He not have no money. What can go so? Nothing at all can go so in a life. You have to step up. Listen to me, if this is going to work, you have to step up a game.
No,
you have to know what you do. Because we have to get all of this done. Remember, say, we could have go further, I could have in the office and all of them, but guess what? I stuck in here so with you. Because guess what? I love you and I care for you. So I do this because of you. So if you don't want this, tell me. And don't make me waste my time. Because remember, my father not like you.
What you mean, babes? I want this, of course, because I try to prove to your father that I can work something to do. And I don't want to insist, I don't want him to pray to me and the rest of the boy them are the same thing. You see me? So I want to, of course, I want to be a better man, change to make him happy same way.
Okay, I understand. I just want to know so I'm on the right page, You understand? So come on. I start out everything already and support.
Forward now.
No, man, get up, man. Get up. Where you going?
No, God,
Say that sitting by yourself, Sardust, Look like say, why not now go on for you? So what happened?
No, Daddy knows I'm not a greedy girl, and I'm satisfied with things in her life. I just done 2 days, I'm just come and suffer and sit down and relax. But if you ask me what kind of breeze blow you from here?
You don't know, so I still have to give you monthly child support. Hey, nobody accounting. Put there, nobody accounting, man.
That's what I'm
So I still have your mind,
You're supposed to. So I got trouble me,
True, man. I got trouble and carry ya. Anyway, how I go out here now?
Not go out. Just there, relax.
Oh. Sometimes I talk to you, I mean, really, sometimes I feel that way, like, me are over, talk certain things, but, I have to tell you, boy, I'm proud of you.
Thanks.
And stuff, but, boy, sometimes life takes some turns where, you don't expect, cause, certain things I don't expect it happen. Sometimes I think, boy, if you just, leave it alone and, what shall be,
That's true.
But still, you take up a hairdresser thing and I read still. I really love it still.
And nails, Daddy, and I hairdresser nails.
I same thing.
You look for me like say, this me come here for. You think me come here for you look right now?
Yo, let me tell you this. You can't come and work so late and I go on like yo. You have right for your tax, man.
Yeah, pay me. Yeah, pay me. Oi.
You mean say me a pay you?
No, yeah, pay me, but the little money where you give me.
What me say me a pay you?
Oh, no. The little money where you give me, I have to come and work for my timing.
What me say your timing?
Yeah, me not kill up myself for the little Peter too.
I was a fair deal with it.
You give me 2,000.
I
I think 2,000 money.
What me say 2,000? Say me make 10,000. I'm spend 3,000. Yo, don't run yourself.
What you take me for?
Yo.
No, in real life, where you take me for? Me
understand saying I really understand what I want.
I understand
me
what I want.
understand saying I really understand what I want.
Put in more than what you pay me. In this place, I'm not going to work for your kill.
Everything where you knock in a place, I have to rewire it. I do it over. That me I tell you. So no matter go on like you this and all that.
So me access. Access. When you give me 2,007 to go check it down. If I that me I do. Why me cannot just find somebody else?
A different work.
Why me cannot just find somebody else? You don't pay me enough money to come tolerate for your bullshit them.
Father God, you know where you go.
You're mad. How you take me for?
Alright, you are going.
How you take me for?
One shovel there, so.
What? Yeah, me see.
Go and go see if you can sort out the pit runner back. Because right now, I be Right now, I don't understand what I'm going. Yo, actually, I know your people them in the road, boy. That I think, you know.
And you know, say, me know you, me no disrespect you while
No,
you
but-
tell me about fi clean pit.
I don't clean myself here, dig, we are digging and
Dig
packing.
pit for me a carpenter. Why you tell me about dig pit for? Me tell you say me dig shit pit. Me tell you say me a man a dig shit, walk and dig shit pit. Yo, the best thing you do, you know, just me go for your 2,000 back on again, cause be disrespect me, you know. One a day like today, you know.
Alright,
I'm not
alright,
disrespect,
alright.
you know.
Hear me, I say. Hear me, I say.
Me care back your 2,000 like on again, cause no money to me, you know. Right now, about 10,000 somebody want to pay me for just put on a little
Well,
touch.
go and go deal what you deal with. Go hustle, you're up on your own. You see, from today,
Yes, man.
just call it say,
Yeah.
you know, work with me no more. See?
no, right.
And when me there I work,
Right.
you know, come and feel
Alright,
like
what
say,
kind
you've, hey, me talking now.
Give me back everyone I nail them, man. Me hammer. Give me me hammer. Give me me hammer. Me go on me yard. Give me hammer, you're bright.
I brother I really understand what going on, you know. It's that's why I just because me left me tool them. Yo, you see, yo, me can't understand that brother. But everything good. You alright. You pretend. Me now, yo, hey boy.
Yeah.
Yo, dog. Bad man, you know, long more see you charge it.
To the business better. Hold on.
Say go on with. You know, long more see you, brother.
You have the money?
Well, you reach it in about 3 hours. 3 hours, about 2 call it by Thursday. By Thursday, Friday.
Thursday?
Yeah.
So you link me and me think
No, coach, you know.
member say no.
Remember, yeah, I mean,
Even if
Mm-hmm.
you see car where you want, if you have the money, you bring your foot today.
No,
If
but-
you have money today,
Yeah.
look here, you see, you have money 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, you get
But watch
it.
out what I say now. Remember saying now, I call in Ken now. Me never feel like a joke me that make.
No, man.
Because I said there's a reason, me not reason about that thing. You know.
If you don't have the money still,
No, money life, money life.
But say me I work, me I work.
Mm-hmm.
Work. You see, I'm a joke or chatting thing. I want business card, I just come over, just to talk to you. So, the time matter. So,
Got you.
because I tell a friend in time, still, it's 300,000 I tell about, but I want it. Like if I can give me for now,
Watch
then I know, you're serious.
But remember saying that, man. Remember saying that. You tell me say around 4 mil for Jeep. You said black Jeep that
Yeah, man, four for that.
Watch
But
out.
watch it style now. You see, like how you say, I just see 4 mil alone, like that, no sure.
Yeah, man, tell you because you tell me say 4 mil, just try some say it's 4 mil, and I exact 4 mil. Man.
Watch it now. Me see one just like it, but you want it now go come brand new. Cause one a new brand one enough for 4 mil, but you see, for me 300,000, me see I work, you know, so I work.
But watch it now.
You see?
Post me can go so. And make tolling can try sums up that 300,000 different.
Move the mind, you can't sum up now.
I blocks is okay.
You can't sum up now.
We can't go do that, yes.
I know. Remember saying
But I watch you now.
Remember
I have to go back from my block, go start out that.
that one you see a one, not sure.
No. That the one.
That one, yeah.
Yes.
It's in live, man. Me tell us that me do my research. Papers and everything, sign out, everything ready.
Alright, watch you now.
But this one I do now. This one I do now. This one I do. I'm sure that one. So that one, yeah.
Tomorrow.
As you can see, that one is not brand new. But if you come with the 4 mil, you don't have to give me nothing. You don't have to give me nothing.
No.
If you come with the 4 mil,
No.
you don't have to give me nothing. Me don't want nothing. Me don't want nothing out of this.
So it's careful when we go.
Yeah, you just that now, brand new, and you have to go just. You go spend it. You have to spend the money.
Still better.
You have to.
Can't wear.
Yeah, man. Come with the money, man.
Say.
When the money like? When the money like?
By Thursday.
Thursday. Yeah, to the hour. To the amount.
So I have to can't go and get Thursday by Friday when I have to.
Thursday. So you couldn't at least give me
Right now.
300.
You messing up. Me don't want to use one. Zin. Plastic pan seat, me think they're nice somewhere. Watch on now. Watch on now. But you messing up. I'm going to walk on the 3 bar of you, but you more than what you do for me. Just go for weeks.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, Wednesday. Because your food sure Thursday.
Remember me tell her say.
You understand?
Look here.
No money, you get your 300,000. You get your
Work with
300,000.
money and money me work with. So yeah, tell me this right now.
Yeah,
Me believe
man.
in everything, you know.
Listen,
Cause I well want to come true. Cause remember, say me tell her say.
I'm going on paper. I'm going on paper, sure.
All right.
Come if I feel like it's a joke thing.
I can't no joke
See,
thing.
look funny. You see, it's a money did it.
Hey, what that on a wall, man?
But no, Kachana, me can't send it come straight to me. So, my
That
people,
on a wall, man.
no, Kachana, But my people must
Remember say
start out that.
bank system fail, you know.
Watch you know.
Bank system fail. Me like live cash.
Watch
Like,
you know, man.
Alright, watch out. Let me tell you something now. You see, you come with the cash, me can run everything through my father business.
Just
now.
messing man.
You see, you don't have to worry yourself.
Man.
No
Just line
problem.
up the
No
thing by
money.
Wednesday, brother.
Look. It no matter where
Come
money
on,
come
the
from.
thing by Friday.
No matter where it come from.
So you say if me carry money come get
You know,
Thursday, man, we
if
can
you
get it by
carry come,
Friday,
so you
man.
don't want crocus bag. But we carry and everything go through.
I don't kill yourself. Thursday.
Do it, man. Do it.
4.3.
Thursday. Yeah.
4.3.
4.3.
I'm not chatting.
Right. But if you go on Friday doing a 4.4.
No, watch you know, man.
Right.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Want it by Friday.
Right.
You understand?
No waste my time, you know. Because I believe in it.
Bad man.
Yeah,
Bad
man.
man.
Believe.
Yeah, hello. Marika.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Here now. You see a man, me no want him work with me no more. You understand me? I say, and you
Why
see,
is that?
listen to me. I say, no man, I talk to you. You understand? You need to understand what I go on, because you don't know what's going on until you hear what's going on. Okay? Yes. This is Robert speaking, right? And I really wanted to understand, say, me now go work back with your man, because I guess I know he not no manners, he not no respect. And the only reason why me used to work with him is because me know your people, me know your father. Your father is a good youth. And I said to myself, so because him now connected to you, make me say to myself, so boy, make me give him a work. See? And we are go some places.
Calm down, Ruth.
What you mean say calm down? Eh? Me can't calm down when the man a go on. I had son a go on, you know. And me there
Don't tell me why and do what did he do
So that me-
to behaving like this?
let me tell you, we not here. Eh? You're not here what go on. If you're not here, you can't listen. If you're not listening, here. You get to me and say, this is the situation now. Now me there work 1 hour. I go and do what me I do. See? And I him supposed to deal with the place. See? And in left the ladder in the rain, and the rain wet up the ladder. And me I try to say me can boat back the ladder. And me tell him say go and go clean up and go dig the shit pit. And he claim say he nah dig no shit pit.
But
And me
you're out of order.
what mean say me out of order?
The dig shit pit.
Oh you mean so the part I work? Eh? After the 5,000 me a pay his man, you know. I'm give him 2,000 the other day and say, go and go buy something because you look like my dead feel hungry. I'm say, go and go buy a little bun and cheese. And
Money.
when me say that I don't pay, I just buy a little food, girl. You understand me? I say, tell that fool if it tapping the man. Yes, so me I say now, at the end of the day, just know say, me now work back with him and he can forward back and no workplace. It is as simple as that. You hear me say? Me just a
Get wine do.
him a disrespect me. You come like you're not here too. Eh?
Under disrespect.
Him come on the place. Alright. Me lend out for me hammer. For me nail box. See? So me didn't know and I use for him thing and me tell him say boy I ain't late. Him a load up him motor go on like ala, you know, and me I tell him man say easy himself and calm down, come and want to neighbor them and the people them say
But
him as a dirty nigga.
Listen to me, in the first place, you're not filling out your tools.
Listen to me, what you saying?
The people can use the tool, mash up here. You should have learned out for your tool.
It is a situation, it's that everyday thing. I wonder if you hear me, I say. Yeah, listen, are you not here? Are you here now? Listen, which one? Eh?
Man, come on from your phone.
When me say come off your phone, that's what, hey, you say me never know your pa, hey, you say me never know your pa, eh? If me never know your pa, you know.
What would I do?
What me do?
Do nothing. You couldn't do nothing.
Me couldn't do nothing, sure.
No.
Me not send you up on there, granny, that me I tell you.
I'm gonna send you back up on the fear, granny. Listen to me.
You see, it won't match. It won't match, it won't two fully idiot. You're half, I'm my next half. You understand me, I say?
This is your one, the handicap.
Alright, listen this. I'm glad to say everything settled that way. Most of the thing I call this Robert, eh? This Robert, you know who's Robert, you know how hard me work, eh? You know how me work, eh? Everybody want me.
free now.
Them there, them brother, everything active.
Yeah, I'm my father. Let's go.
Boy, you know, say that it's them thing they give me what there. So I put in work for the thing, the man was sitting there going for the door. Believe you know, say I link my calling cap and I want operation door. Catch you know, I'm sure I go into that.
Yeah, man.
Cause see account you know. And see you can see it's everything live. You see it? Such a no. I sit me want to go deal right now, I say if I could just go link you. And just give me money if you go deal with it. And when this money I for you, just take it back.
So let's say I go on now.
You know, so do I'm not tell I want one thing I want to deal now, like a piece of like a family emergency that you know, and people want to do one surgery that you know, so me research now. They must say I want 4.5 feet, my daddy.
Oh, man, I say at least that a long
So
time
say,
I have a
you know, say find this a food that chop, you just run back on you. Quick and fast.
But you know, when I'm my father, I don't grow anything in my father.
Oh, gosh, man.
If I don't get my food, I know how that go.
Brother,
So
you know me the right
feel
through, brother.
it.
Daddy, you know me the right through. You know, say every day on a ball yard, my friend. Me and ball be, I mean, ball be for right through, my friend. So I can't hide from you, daddy.
Alright, I know.
And you know I'm not live.
Alright.
So if you find me that ball be yard, me there, brother.
Alright.
Girl,
So I'm all for my father.
listen,
So
I'm just go and wait for him. I can't do that, man. I'm going to go and wait for him, my father, man. Listen me.
Never burn up down. It don't raise me. But my soul run free. Listen. Never born with gold spoon in a mouth. Big house on the hill of security gate. But my never settle cause life
If you success.
But I'm in a mood today. As you can see my face, I'm really in a mood today.
When you say in that mood, I want
I want to know where you're up to, where you're depend. Because right now this thing I take too long.
what do you mean this thing I take too long? I don't understand. Talk to me and talk straight and get stuff. Hey baby, you know, see me the code thing, you know.
Yeah, I not understand where you're up to, so just make it clear.
I am a woman.
I don't know that, you know, that is how me feel. You can't tell me that and if you believe that. You have to change something. You have to do something, make you not understand. And right now, I'm deep in the mood.
Alright, I know what I'm going. Because guess what now? If you're a woman, I have to know, say, boy, something not work right financially. How much is time?
I'm there with them, you know. There with them, go whole out, so.
You know that I go on, so you have to think and worry and stress yourself.
No, but they take too long, man.
No, alright, listen, everything take time. So you see, if you race it and go on like say we are hurry, you know, and go real. We have to make it natural. And
That's the way you say, but how long?
No, alright, here.
Remember say, I can do things, you know.
Me
And I not go out there go do it, you know. I'm really fit the right just with you, for help build with you, you know. But you confuse me.
Alright, I have some work I do with. See? So by about next 2 days from now, I'm supposed to can get up everything we say we want from then time there. And if anything new will come in, we can deal with it too. So just give me a little time. See? Which is 2 days time. Don't worry yourself, man.
2 day time, alright. I believe your word is true.
You look too sad. Give me a little
I have nothing to laugh about.
Give me a little Yeah, you going. Oh my God.
Alright.
You're right. Don't worry yourself.
When me cheat, all of the tears them drop on the sheet like rain pan zinc in a midnight heat. Phone start ring and me can't even speak. Phone lock up like traffic on the street. Screenshot them secret leak like oil pan water. No. Everybody see, she say me broke her heart in a two. All of the promise when me talk never true. My words sweet like honey, but it bitter too. Now she back, say she done, she a leave.
What, bro? See, thing on my father.
Just like that, eh?
You know, go to work, you know. See it, man. Looking at it, man, and see it, man. Everything that, man. But look, you know, man. Remember what I tell you, my father. Make sure I get back your bag with the food and I said we is this style.
Cha God. See, you save me an idea, bad man.
Stay right, you know, my father. Remember, you know, my
no
father.
worry ahead, man. Everything will connect. Everything will connect.
Alright.
Like a jigsaw puzzle, man. Believe me, man. Cha God.
Think it.
I feel really, I feel look like so much money in that bag, man.
Yo, I really you go rent car, bro.
You're easy. You're easy. You believe in me, youth.
No, that's what I don't believe in
me,
you, brother, but
Eh? And what? Man, you look on the good man. Come, look. Look, no man. It's a plastic pan seat. Look good, no man.
see it, man.
But look a piece of business, I tell you something, I did what the man and tell me.
You mean, man, me happy for you, dog. You mean, I saw you think for set, of course.
So cash out sitting while I got my boy. Say
Look
free.
good. There,
Piece of bread, I say, I take and sit where the pan. Say, I circle your dog.
yeah, man, what you say? Where we are go? What you mean? Why not?
I need a piece of mission, dog, but I'm going to go down my boat yard.
Submission. You
Come
mean,
and say,
man?
you know, I'm going to my boat yard, go see if I can get a piece of weed from the boy. I'll
You
take a
mean,
piece
man?
of weed.
Look good, do my
What
boy.
you
I
think?
mean,
Can I say force?
Love you, look, my boy.
Say force, man. I say, ready? Ready?
Yeah, man.
Father? So, how your mom say?
Mom's over there, man. Mom's alright around there.
If your mom's going to extend a story, you know.
Never see something, I don't know.
This me other. My real friend, they are right beside me. All I'm a real friend, them have a Glock.
It's a hard still in my dad, but you know.
Yeah, talk about.
If I can just throw and tree again, guess in I tank my dad, because I go and port that well, because you know. I shot guess girl, them, I shot.
Bad man, you know what I'm saying in real life.
You
no.
don't see him?
No, and I really that me have to say.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, see what that's, see what that's.
Brother, listen now. You
Wow.
come from me yard, tell me say me I go on the road. Me ask you one question. And when you bingo?
What kind of question you can say?
Yeah, man, a 2 week, a 2 week ago, you have dirty style. You tell me say me I go on the road, you tell me say me I go spend.
I watch your pocket out.
Yeah, tell me about watch pocket. Me say if you tell me say we are go spend, and that me ask you.
So me go sin.
Where you come for me and me yard for? Where you come for me and me yard for?
You say I'm a real country boy.
Listen, where you come for me and me yard for? You tell me say we are go on the road, you tell me say me I go buy gas.
Me
Money where you bring over there. I hate to take by car and then I come make me come buy your gas. How you take me for?
So you did it with no great puppy Dan.
Yeah, I know, I deal it.
The big thing, my World Cup, me there taking that I say a big thing I go on night. Every side I can World Cup.
Why? You talk about side and the World Cup business. And that me I talk about right now.
I'm telling you about it, brother.
Right now,
Talk to me, brother.
a little fusion I and my brother having a youth.
Which fusion?
Because I really don't understand.
Which fusion you talk about?
The money where you take from him and I want to give him back.
No, brother, you have to understand me now and give back him money.
So what you want to do then?
Brother, no money not clear. I'm sure.
Watch it, man, so long.
Look, see it, look on it. Let me tell you, let me take off the dog, man. I don't feel like me try to go on him.
Brother,
it's
really and truly.
You just, say for a Friday if you fly.
I know you know.
I'm there roadside.
I know some my brother, you know. We are blood, you know.
Brother, I mean, like how you
I mean, your man talk like you want to do things in a youth.
Too many things.
What you mean? The man, they are bad man, you know.
Brother, them man, they couldn't pay me so serious, dog. Really,
Are you taking money and I want to give him back?
No, listen, I don't get the money if you give back the money, but you know, something.
But you have to stay wide.
No, come here, I try to get you. Because, for example, I take a food for you, but you know, I come to no store, that's why your bread. And them are real G that day.
One thing I tell you, you know, 2 times the man they go to jail already, you know. You see, last time he go, a mortgage, your mother have to borrow and clear it, you know. And then if you show my brother money, and clear it up, kind of do his scamming and everything there.
This one, see, but I rate you come reason me thing, I believe in me.
Because I want you to come and rate you. And my brother, something not to want to have nothing.
I don't like say, I not give, but as I see it, I look, if I show you again, okay, you can look upon you, see that.
All me I tell you, you know, yes, when he pull up on you, you don't want to hear about World Cup or you don't want to hear about your choice sending me money, you know. But I want the money up front. So you have to do what's best. Because me I tell you, them the man they not take talk, brawling.
No, respect for me, I know I'm going to still in my dog, you know.
Say a word still, man, just do it right. Because I know my brother have to do it right. You see me?
Well, I rang in go do the no brother card. My daddy cheap.
Well, I money still, you know. Yeah, hold on for the money because you taking money and I want to give him back.
I made feel like you want to start.
Alright, so why you taking money?
Because the money, because this money depend on your life. Because I feel some money on Friday. Friday come on and tell me story. There be a story again. Say Sunday I know. And since I'm just in the road car now,
One
cheap,
thing
brother.
I can tell you, you say, who can hear, I go
Jaja
feel.
God, you.
I remember me come tell you, you know.
Jaja God, you.
I mean, I want to come in your funeral, you know, because me eat curry goat and white rice, you know.
We don't talk about funeral, but man.
And me drink soup, you know.
Go on, yeah, man, go on. Cake out.
Because I not to buy soup on road, the only time I buy soup, when I do a funeral, I get them free soup.
You don't get no soup for me.
And drink too, because I come
You
tell
don't get
you.
no soup for me, because no funeral keep.
That's how you have to do it right, and my brother come dash away.
Jaja God, you.
Just do it right. Remember me to tell you, you know.
Yeah, Gally. Yeah, I'm gonna finish up one nails. So you say you can check me? Hello. Make sure so when you come like my money come, because remember say you owe me for your last nails that I do for you. No, not because me your friend. No, you have to pay your money so yeah. Next one. Yeah. What you say? I don't know about that, you know. Funny. Let me see next time. Yeah. I don't know where one Bobby him there, no. Because if you come, can't give me lunch, I'll know you can't reach. You must have the pan side too. We don't want to go to the restaurant. I'm boss. I don't really care about them anyways. I mean, why lunch me there have your pan? Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. It's okay, honey. Yeah. So you like them?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Nice. Green look good for your hand. It fit your hand color. Bright color. Beautiful, yeah. 6'5". Yeah. Yeah, man, me take you US. I can't give me US.
That tree.
Yeah, thank you. I could me take tip too, you know.
You do good, so.
Thank you. You're such a nice customer. Come back again, yeah? Yeah, thanks, Iris. Yeah, girlie.
That's why I'm gonna like work for people, you know.
Yo, your name Bulby?
No, sir, what?
Say for your name,
Won't
Bulby.
believe right around this summer, general.
Yo, look at the man. ISIS tell me say if me not see him, if you check Bulby
But
see him.
so that mean this is true, you see me, you think I'm in here,
Bad
but
man.
me even know them ISIS.
Yo, ISIS say if me not see him, if you check you.
So wait, the way you want, no, you, no.
$4.5 million go.
4.5 million.
man.
What if you know about
Yeah, man, your
4.5
friend
million?
come borrow how much money from
Yeah, but me never did that when my friend a borrow hit. So what you tell me say?
Don't say you can't tell me that. If me not catch Kwaku, me have to catch his shot in a bad
Yeah,
man.
listen, man, I come like a joke thing. It's a prank, no. A prank this, no.
How prank? How
What kind of money you talk about, bossy? Babes, me say, you know, some shit I listen to you do.
Listen to me, boy. Where food there?
To this so shocking certain way, me buy food and I feel left because what?
I want money and I have.
Money, if I the money, you know.
Me hungry, me
Yeah,
don't
you're
eat from
hungry,
morning. I'm a shop phone this, you know. It's not my phone. I'm a shop. Alright, I'm so call her back.
Let me say,
Talk
you know,
fast.
say, at today, me there, I come out of my house to go buy food for you. A man that come to me and ask me about where ISIS there, one bag of something. And I say, if can't catch Kwaku, catch shot, one bag of something. So, all of that now, me I say, Jaja, God, only if me there listen to you, probably this one reach me certain way.
You know
Actually,
how
you
many
know how I
times
feel.
see them me have customer. Me Alright. You know how many times me tell us if you drop in company, me know say it wanna grow up from a little. But guess what? Some friendship have to left behind. You're not carrying a future with you because some friend is not friend. Some friend are users. They all want dip in your pocket and then drop you one side. What kind of friend go and left bills for you? As a matter of fact, he always left bills for
Man,
you.
go tell me, say, I see tell him, say, me and him apart road. Me and
Then
him
a lie?
apart road.
Is it a lie?
He come like say you leave me pick up for me now. You just,
Me a pick up for you, but I'm a lie, I shoot. Why man did all that to you? Let me tell you something. Listen to me. You walk on a thin line. Remember say my father not like you. Remember that. And I struggle with you. So you need to help me out in this situation and stop putting me deep down in this situation. I'm tired. I'm tired of you and your friend. I'm sick of it. See there? I'm there for a man, I'm not eat nothing, I'm hungry, and guess what? Friend news here carry come give me. So if you dead for hungry and friend for always come first. Friend come first in everything. You know what? Go on. How much money a man forget?
Which man, me don't even know how much money man forget because I not ask him that, he not tell me that. Me did it when he borrow money or I take money from a man.
But your name in the conversation,
Yeah,
so
but
how your name
how my name reaching them myself because I never did it when money get take and the man tell me about no. That the man they tell me say if you want to find him, if he link me. How?
Guess what? I have 2 customers to come in and I can't go take this negative energy where you come with right now. So it's best if I just go on. Me meet you at home and talk to you. I can't talk to you now in the shop. Me hungry. Me all week. Come me go do people them nails. I'm hungry. Eh? And what kind of... Yo. So sometimes they say children feel listen to them parents. But guess how we too stubborn. Good night, Daddy.
Well, go on.
No. I'm glad they meet me out here so. Right now, I kind of feel upset. I can't believe that today, I day at work. I'm say to him and say, buy one lunch carry come give me. Instead, I come with the lunch, he come with news about his friend. I can't tell me say, his friend owe one man money and a man come to him for money. And I don't know why I'm fooling this going right about now.
Still news. I don't know where you come to him about that.
What do you mean still news, Daddy?
I know where I go on and I'm everything, you know. I must say I'm a man of the streets. On the road, pimp daddy. Zane, you're not here, and who can't hear I go feel?
That is how you raise the voice for me.
Because you're not here. Could I talk to you? I'm tired of talk. What left me do? Eh? What else me for do?
All when you're angry at me, you raise your voice for me.
So you must know. Eh? Me look like a somebody calm to you now? Because of foolishness where you're going with.
That mean I'm not going with no foolishness, but me just...
Look here. What you want? You want when things that me come bury you? Eh?
That is the blood of Jesus against that. I cover myself and die, but what do you mean by bury me?
Like I say you want to reach. You understand what I mean?
Reach, did I say, Daddy?
Look here, man. We talk to you already over and over. Pack up your things and come back. Your place is here. You have your room, you have everything here. Eh? You have the little hairdressing thing. Look here, man. That man is not good for you.
Every time you mix up with hairdressing and nail me do.
I see him thing, man. I see him salon. Well, anyway, call it whatever it is. All right, anyway. Just do what I say, man.
All right, Daddy.
The man
I'll come back home. But
what? But what?
Just give me a little time.
You see time? When I go give you? That time I might have to end up bury you. The longer you stay,
Daddy,
it's up to you.
Stop that.
All right. You don't listen.
You
don't listen, you don't hear, you don't feel. You feel.
Alright. So you can go for my stuff them or what? Each time when you're there, you should have can go for my stuff them.
I know you talk to me, you know. Right away, you know. I am my daughter, you know. What you expect? Yeah? What do you think?
Daddy, me just kind of pissed off with everything.
You ready?
I'm ready, come on.
Hello. What go on?
What for going on?
Imagine me come to you and make you know say man run in for me certain way and you leave you make me come home and I look for see you. Whole day me there yard I look for see you and can't see you. What go on? What you do? Where you there? Your father yard there?
Listen to me, let me ask you a question. You did want me to stay here, yeah, that man running for me and make something happen to me?
Okay.
No, listen to me, I say. First and foremost, you never go take out a car. You never go borrow money from nobody. So I don't expect man to run in for you. So what? Yeah, that's safe to me, you know. So me have to go on my father.
So you tell me so you tell me say you come wait. Okay. So you tell me say you come home me your reason. What go on?
What did they for me a reason about? Me see everything. Me done see all what go on already. I'm gonna tell you, me give you too much of my life to sit down and they think over or I talk to you like say you saw look a grade 6 pitney. Like me don't know. But this not gonna work out.
I see you see it.
Because we take some break from each other because me have my life and me and my father and my friend and my education and all these things because he just know I'm doing nails alone. So it better me focus on myself right now and just give you a break and just you see when you know what you really and truly want, then I can come back to me. But just if you know you don't know what you want, you spread a bed hard, lay night hard.
So make you deal with me so.
I'm tired to talk to you.
Yeah, you're tired to talk to me, but no one.
Me talk to you night. You know, so my father not like you. I me try with you how many years now, and where you give me every time. You disappoint me every time.
How me disappoint you? What me disappoint you with now? What me do for disappoint you? Remember, you know, me there right now, work me there, you know, so me I try make a money for you come buy you certain things where you want, you know, and thing, you know. I know me a disappointment. Me never do steel work from the day me born, and because more I make a piece of food, me start do all steel work for sure, you. Every type of what me start try volunteer for do cause what me I try to be a better person and this me I get.
No, you're not trying to be a better person. You're trying to be a better person for your friend. I work for go mind a friend. I don't work for go mind me. I work for go pay your friend bill.
Me I work for pay my friend bill, see all in sitting here. Jaja God.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Me I try come like me not try for nothing at all. Me just try go in vain. Me try come like a in vain here go. It's like what me I do, you know, it come like say yo, what me do is not enough for you alone. Jaja God. It's like me have to go try. Not even if me try to get the whole world, it come like you now got enough you want the whole universe. How what this?
Don't do that. Don't talk like me ungrateful.
No, me never say ungrateful, but you talk like say yo, me never try. Me not try. You go on like me not try like.
How you try?
Then you mean me I try to improve myself? No, and I say me no want drop the company.
First thing you have to do. Drop it up. Listen to me and my father. When me go to my father, you know, my father make me know so he know everything one already, you know. My father give daddy and my father. So I know all I want go on. So you feel like say my father don't know your friend and what your friend I deal with, they make a sad mistake. Enough time that him come to me with news about what you are doing.
What me I do?
You me always a cover up.
What me I do?
But guess what? It don't make no sense. No sense, it don't make at all. You know, I just have a wonderful day. I mean, I won't fear it.
So I say really I go make all of we build this driftway.
Yeah, it makes sense. Because you not put in no effort to change and drop the type of company where you have. Media work yesterday, I'm hungry. Whole day, me tell her to bring something come for me eat. You left out a cook shop because man come to your boyfriend, friend bill and whatever. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, sorry it takes so long, you know.
Yeah, man. Me have something to tell you too. You see this thing we had say a relationship or we had do right here, so me think me need a break from you.
What do you mean break? Break like what?
I feel like you waste my time and me just want to start out myself. You not move fast enough, like you not move for my speed and you slow me down. I don't know, disrespect. Me rate you same way.
What do you mean? So hold on. Calm down for a second. You know how much money I spend on you? When me carry go places, you know, take chicken, you know, a lobster, and them things you take. You understand me? I say, so when you come down to spending, don't bother say me short on that. You understand me? I say, when we are make love and them something there, you say best you ever have on this and that. So, our problem?
And none of that are the problem. It's just that money not coming, it are coming too.
So money? Is I think that money?
Yeah. Remember say me can go to one next man and say, yo, I want this. Are you there black for me traffic from everybody else? You understand? So are you me have the pressure? So me don't know how you are gonna make that. Either you make yourself better or you try to behave worse because me just not gonna stay here so with you. You understand? Me can go up on my mother for some time, see if me can cool out up there and see what I want. But me no know. You need to change something though, because it's slow bad.
So because me a carpenter, it can't happen?
I don't say it can't happen, you know, but me think me want some breeze. Me think me want space, me want think about this, because right now I feel like a bit things are going on for my life. Me have my whole partner, me I do enough things.
So when I tell you say partner where you owe me, I got start it out.
Yeah, me
so
know
how
that.
everything I come down to money now?
Because
no love not today?
Love did me tell
So
you the same way, but me just think me want some space to think about everything when me I do to see if I right choice me I make, to see if me fi just say f it and just everything just done and know say yo I just that. But me can't do right here, so I play. This thing I take too long.
All right. Ewa. Cause I say I just take some time off and think because I don't plan myself around you. Or you me say. But everything good. Since I say you want to take some time off, take your time off. So and everything you pack in your bag.
No, and everything me care but me care most of the stuff them I gonna want. But you call me regular check up on me anything, but you need to, me I say me can get in no work with my mother, help out my mother on some things and stuff, but me don't know. Me have to go really sit down and think if me really make a chance, cause right now you just feel
everything good. Just take your time and go. Everything alright. See?
So you know Bex?
Can't Bex because your decision.
So you understand what me I say then?
Yeah, me understand what you say.
Me I'll call you say me, check in for you.
Sorry, everything good. Just take it 2 weeks and call. If you call me, go worse.
Alright, so you want a hug?
No, I'm good.
You don't hug?
No, me
You want a?
No, I'm good.
Alright, me call you.
Hello. Where are you about? It's like you're crazy, man. Care back what? That can't hurt, man.
From the deal sign off, the deal sign off. Nah, man. Business closed, man. Them the money they gone now, business. I want to tell you, man. Nah, man. Right now, I can't bother the crap reader. We are set them right now. Nah, man. Can't work, man. It can't work. Nah, brother. You can't get back that money there, man. That money they gone, brother. That money they gone, man. Right now, I'm not the boy I know talking with you, bro. No, you can't do that, man. You can't do that. You are telling me, sir. It's a, but, yo, you can't bring badness to me now. Business me I deal with, sir. That done gone through, man. That done gone through. Yo, right now.
Yo,
How that?
I ask how that. Come here, man. I can't believe I see a deal with me, out.
Why pray now?
See a deal with me, brother.
Deal what?
Me I call you from how long, dog, and one bag of something, you not answer what
Bad
go on.
man, them a Nigeria come and me I did, brother.
No, about nice. They come like y'all want set me up Sunday Sykes,
Bad
bro.
man, I know set up thing, bad man, man. I know set up
Set
thing,
up
bad
thing.
man, dog. I'm sure you're going, dog. First of all, I shouldn't even do it, man, my friend. Because you know, say, I know, you're so where you fall from. You dig a man try to share? I know man I try to set up a life, you. The man ask me, when can you find me differently from me yard? And I say, brother, if you got me yard and you see me, I do a ball beard. I like me tell.
A man come bust shut off for me. Yeah,
Boy, me
you
don't
tell
know
man
that
say,
still about
any
ball.
man that come make me know say, you tell him say, I'm here your par.
So let me a par.
And bust shut off for me. Me your par for ball get but shut off for.
No, watch it coming in there at the time.
You
Watch
need
it,
it
my
at
friend,
the
but
time.
you may say still that one kind of get rectified in the dark. I remember in a life in the dark.
Bro,
Things happen in my friend.
Youth.
Things do happen in the dark.
Lucky some left my cutlass still in the car. I don't have to chop you in the youth.
So I look through my window first. I see you never have nothing, man. I feel like me I eat that.
Bad man.
Come on, say no
Bad
fun
man,
around here,
me
try to do
pray
me things, boy.
because I
Pray
what you
before.
do. Yeah, because I what you do, bad
What me
man.
do,
Man
daddy?
come on my place, but
Brother,
shut off for me and
watch
I
out,
go ask
man.
me for you say,
Me rectify that.
I'm
sorry about that. I'm sorry about that.
Things
I'm sorry
and
about
one
that.
bag of
But man, I can't wake up people.
wake up people.
But man, I'm a church, man, live around this.
I'm
Man,
a
hold on your
business
price,
who
brother.
live around this, brother. You told me
Man,
pissed off,
big
bad
some
man.
back in my house. But man, listen, you know, listen to me tell us, brother. Daddy, me tell us, say, I'm a money dog, see? I'm really some money that fly, brother. So I'm go for borrow the money from the man, brother. And the thing that fly, dog, I say, brother, come page me, you know, tell me how man want to do my thing. And some of them, I carry go give him, brother. And rectify the thing. I carry car, still don't have a car. You see it, and still in my yard park up. But I don't say that to no one, see, man. I don't see me walk foot. But see them there walk foot again.
They tell me about seat,
When my thing fly, say my thing fly. Nobody feel like say go tap, man.
No, I know about tap.
understand?
And when me and
Yeah,
meds, me I said to myself, you know,
Man, me share
man
this,
forward
man.
at my place and bush shut off for me, and because of you.
You see, if you're there road right too, I made it on the road, brother. But you see, because you move like a miser, you know? Me you couldn't road, man.
Brother, me, you know, me you roll, and all the thing you do when me you pour a beg.
So what's up, big you? Them mean big, brother.
No, me a friend. Yeah, you know, brother. Me a friend. So what you know?
Me like
you
you
see
talk
all
to
my
man,
money, them, me still want back my money, them
Which
you borrow
money?
from me.
Which
you know?
money?
Every
Which money?
dollar, all the money you buy,
Which
put in
money?
a people car,
Which
because you
money?
tell me, say, you can't give money now. All the money we
To save your life.
save my life.
To save you.
My life.
To save you.
How you
Me
gonna
go
save
give
me
you my
with it?
car.
Remember, say you tell me, save me. Save me, you give me your car.
Remember, say, I could have got told, you know?
Remember the business
I could
where you
have
want
parked in a garage at town and fly off foreign,
We can
man.
ask someone a question.
I'm looking into it and
We
I say
can
the
ask someone
from
are you alone could go a town. But
This boy uncle, man.
anyways, then I know say mama cut left me too.
Who?
No man.
For your woman.
Yeah.
So I surprise you. A long time you left here, you don't see it, man. You know?
Cha-cha.
A long time you left here, you don't see it, my boy. But
Brother,
so you
it's
got
like
still remember
a girl,
saying that?
no,
Watch you
like
now.
me can't meds in either car. Cause what you know is like she want and me a try fi do it right, fi please the girl certain way. Like what you know, he might tell me say father not like me. Father not like me.
Mm-hmm.
Me I try my best fi do everything fi try make sure say everything alright with she. And in the top 10 ringing at me ears, father not like me, father not like me, father not like me. Why? Now let me feel away no more tell me say he can't stay still, you know, but watch out now, my meds and everything when me try to do and try to accomplish because of she. The end of the day, only thing me I hear, your father don't like me. What me fi do?
Remember, say I feel woman influence against me, you know.
Influence
Because
you
for your
against
woman
you.
start parson way, every time I link you, say, okay, a problem.
No.
So, you may say no? You may say no, man?
Me I hear you, go and talk.
Go on and fear you the day your woman problem. Me and my problem I sort out, eh?
Friends like me you
Good
can't
night,
buy.
sir.
Good night, but just make sure me get my money tomorrow.
Go on home.
The subscribe is free. The
But
subscribe here.
nowadays, none of them disappear when life get rough. Yeah.
The man there with the food, man.
Are you name Bulby?
Ratuna tutti paput. Alla dette. Ogni ratuna. Ratuna wa awata. Ay, God. Baby, I want to be one of them. Baby, don't be one crab. What we are gonna do? You're gonna be one crab. You're going to one fish pond. And then when you take a picture of me, really tell me I wait. Let me tell you. Then, be quiet. Ready? Don't do No. Ready? Yo, Bubba, can I get some of your juice? Yeah. Me. Cheese. Cheese.
Go.
You mad? How you take me for?
Alright, you are going.
How you take me for?
One shovel there, so.
Yeah.
One go dig up a pit.
No, you just shut it out. But me I say bad kuya.
Sorry. Watch that one, watch that one. I say more about.
The one.
The farming, yeah. It's a record.
Just ball action.
But I'm hitting the cutter. That's alright, perfect. Ready?
Check the one there again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Check. Say ball action no man. Yeah.
No, check.
No, you see my nose. You can't do that, brother. Hold on. You can't give a joke and I'm blood time. What's the action?
No, man, you.
Ready? And action! Yo. Action.
Bossy, me don't know what kind of money you talk about in a bossy. What you talk about?
I am virgin plan up and take.
Oh, me and my brethren to plan up and take your money, bossy.
You know, work with my mother, help out my mother on some things and stuff, but I don't know. I never really sit down and think if they really make a chance, because right now you just feel
Everything. Just take your time out. Everything. See?
So, you know, Bex.
Can't Bex because your decision.
So you understand what I said then?
Yeah, me understand. Yes.
I'll call you, say me, check in for you.
It's alright, everything. But just take it 2 weeks and cut. Every call go worse.
Alright, so you want a hug?
No, I'm good.
You don't hug?
No, man.
You want a...
No, I'm good.
Alright, me call you here.
Friends like me you can't buy. Them say real friends hard to find. But nowadays, none of them disappear when life get rough. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. From we a picnic barefoot, we walk go school, one lunch we share. We live like brother. When trouble come, we never run. Them days are pure love, no envy, no hype. Just real friendship to the end. Real friend check by you when you're low. Real friend know watch your pocket when it a grow. Love stay the same, never change with fame. Them celebrate when you rise to the sky. That are the kind of friendship me know. Real friend never left your side. Hey, no only call when them need a loan. Soon as them get it, them switch off phone. When you need help, them busy every day. Always find one excuse to say friendship bigger than money. Loyalty worth more than silver and gold. If you only there round when blessings flow, you never did real from a long time ago. Me rate the one where pray for me soul, not the one where just love party and roll. The one where tell me the truth when me wrong, lift my spirit and help me stay strong. No bad mind, no jealousy. Call me brother without shame. Real friend check on you when you low. Real friend know watch your pocket when it a grow. Love stay the same, never change for fame. Them celebrate when you rise to the sky. That are the kind of friendship me know. Real friend never left your side. Money go, money go, money go, but real friendship continue. Feel flow. Years may pass, one love forever. That's a real friend. If you have one treasure, that bond, 'cause true friendship can't buy from